Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to answer these examples of summation notation given the values of x sub 1 up to x sub 5, then y sub 1 up to y sub 4. So for letter A, so ang starting value natin dito is 1 and then the ending value is 5. So we are going to substitute the value of I into this one. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, x sub I, that means x sub 1 because our starting value is 1 nga. No? Then, plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5. So, ang ending value natin is 5. So, mag-end tayo sa 5. Now, since we have the given values for each variable, isa-substitute natin. So, x sub 1 is 12. So, 12 plus x sub 2 is 8. So, plus x sub 3 is 14 plus 6 plus 10. Okay, add lang natin, no? So, 12 plus 8 is 20. Tapos, 14 plus 6 is 20. Tapos, plus 10. So, 20 plus 20 plus 10. So, we have 50. So, the answer here is 50. Okay, let's proceed to letter B. Ito, mayroon siyang kasamang coefficient. So, ihiwalay natin yung coefficient. So, 4 summation of x sub I. So, starting value niya is 3. Ang ending value ay 5. Okay. So, ang starting value natin ay 3. So, that means 4 times x sub 3 plus x sub 4 plus x sub 5. Then, substitute the values. X sub 3 is 14. So, 14 plus 6 plus 10. Okay. So, gagamit tayo dito ng PEMDAS. Maunang isolve yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 14 plus 6 plus 10 is 30. Okay. So, 4 times 30 is 120. Okay, so the answer is 120. Okay, let's proceed to letter C. Okay, so in this example, we have binomial as our element. So, ang starting value niya is 2. Ang ending value niya is 4. So, gagawin natin, yung kasama nung unang term na coefficient, which is 3, ihihiwalay natin. No? So, 3 summation of x sub I. Okay, so ang I is from 2 to 4. Minus summation of y sub 1. Ganun din, ang starting value is 2, ending value is 4. Then, we can now get the summation. So, 3 times, so x sub I, ang una nating isa-substitute sa I is 2. So, x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4. So, hanggang x sub 4 lang because of the ending value is 4. Okay, minus, so y sub I, so this is y sub I. So, ang starting value is 2. So, y sub 2 plus y sub 3 plus y sub 4. Okay, now, let us substitute the values from the given. So, 3 times x sub 2 is 8. So, papalitan natin ng 8. So, 8. Then, x sub 3 natin is 14. X sub 4 is 6. Yan. Then, minus, ang y sub 2 natin is 15 plus y sub 3 is 11. So, plus y sub 4 is 20. Okay. So, we are going to use the PEMDAS. So, that means we're going to solve the values inside the parentheses. So, 3 times So 8 plus 14 plus 6. So we have 28. So minus 15 plus 11 plus 20 is 46. Okay. So 3 times 28, we have 84. So 84 minus 46. So the answer here is 38. So this is the answer for letter C. Now, we will proceed to letter D. So, in this example, merong exponent yung ating element. So, ang starting value is 3. The ending value is 5. So, sulat natin x squared sub 3 plus x squared sub 4 plus x squared sub 5. Okay. So, substitute lang natin yung value ng x sub 3. So, which is 14. So, let us have 14 quantity raised to 2 plus x sub 4 is 6 quantity raised to 2 plus x sub 5 which is 10. So, 10 quantity raised to 2. So, 14 raised to 2 is 196 plus 6 raised to 2 is 36 plus 10 raised to 2 is 100. So, add lang natin. So, ang sagot natin dito ay 332. Okay. So, sa last example, letter E. Okay. So, starting value is 1. Ending value is 4. So, substitute lang natin. So x sub 1, y sub 1. So, no need to separate kagaya ng ginawa natin sa letter C. Okay, so plus x sub 2, y sub 2 plus x sub 3, y sub 3 plus x sub 4, y sub 4. Then, substitute the values from the given. X sub 1 is 12. So, times y sub 1 is 9. Yan. So, plus y sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, 8 times 15 plus 14 times 11 plus 6 times 20. Okay. So, let us first multiply before we add. 12 times 9, so we have 108 plus 8 times 15 is 120 plus 14 times 11 is 154 plus 6 times 20 is 120. Then, add na natin. So, we will get 502. So, this is the answer. So, this is how we solve the summation notation given the values of this. Okay?